Dear students, this is a Unit 6 and Session 1. In this session, you are going to learn what is combustion, stages of combustion in SI engine, and P theta diagram. See, what is combustion? The fuels are consisting of the hydrocarbons, or fuels are nothing but the hydrocarbons. These hydrocarbons burn with the help of the oxygen available in the air. See, if it's so, the combustion may be defined as a relatively rapid chemical combination of the hydrogen and the carbon in the fuel with the oxygen in the air, liberation of energy in the form of heat. This is called the combustion. In the previous semesters, you have studied the working principle of the IC engine. Say it consisting of four strokes or two strokes. Say among these strokes, one is the power stroke. See, during the power stroke, power generates inside the engine cylinder. Well, to generate the power, the fuel has to burn inside the combustion chamber of an IC engine, right? This combustion, it's a short duration. It's a uh, it's a fraction of well within the fraction of the second, the whole combustion takes place inside the combustion chamber. The small duration, a scientist, Ricardo, has divided into three stages. It's a fraction of second. Once again, that fraction of the seconds are subdivided into three phases. Very first one is ignition lag. Second one is flame propagation. Third one is after burning. See, this is the diagram. Here is a Gothic curve. You can notice it. This curve is drawn with respect to the crank angle and the pressure developed inside the engine cylinder. Okay, very first, let us discuss over the ignition lag. See, it because it's a combustion in SI engine, the spark has to initiate the combustion of the engine. Well, see, early in the beginning, you have to learn soon after delivery of the spark inside the combustion of chamber of an engine, the whole combustion process will not take place. Then, very first phase of this what? Ignition lag. See, soon after the spark delivered inside the combustion chamber, the air fuel mixture has to attain the self igniting temperature. Self igniting temperature. This takes some time. That's a fraction of a second. This time duration may be 0.00015 seconds to 0.0002 seconds. This is a fraction of seconds. Say, in this fraction of the second, the air fuel mixture which is there inside the combustion chamber attains the self-sustained temperature to ignites on its own. This duration we are calling ignition lag. Okay, say after that air fuel mixture attain the sufficient temperature after delivery of the spark plug, then the air fuel mixture is get ready to burn all of a sudden inside the combustion chamber. Okay, here you may notice the point A is where the actual spark delivered. Here the combustion starts, the actual combustion starts at B. See, A to B, what is that? That is the temperature increase in to gain the temperature to burn the air fuel mixture, right? Then B is the point where the actual rapid combustion starts. Okay, then this combustion developed the enormous pressure inside the combustion chamber. This period starts at B and it will continued up to C. It will be continued up to C. See, during this period, the pressure will be maximum inside the cylinder. That pressure applies on the piston head to move downwards. This is nothing but the power generation. This duration we are calling flame propagation. The flame propagation starts at the point B and ends at the point C. The third phase of this combustion is what? After burning. Okay, the pressure is applied on the piston head. The piston is moving downwards from TDC to BDC, but the residual air fuel mixture which is left over inside the combustion chamber or the cylinder, it will be continually burning inside the combustion chamber till the piston reaches the bottom dead center of the engine or bottom dead center of the cylinder. That means what? It's a continuous process of the burning of the residual air fuel mixture inside the combustion chamber when the piston travels from TDC to BDC of the cylinder. These are the three phases of combustion of the IC engine, that too, in fact, combustion in SI engine. Right. Now, once again, I'll repeat this. I'll repeat the whole process of the combustion, how the combustion is being take place inside the combustion chamber of an IC engine. Okay, spark delivered. During the spark delivered, the air fuel mixture inside the combustion chamber gains the temperature to burn on its own. This period we are calling it a ignition lag. It starts at the point on the P theta diagram A and it ends at the point B. Then all the air fuel mixture has gained the sufficient temperature to burn on its own. Then the flame started at the point B and the rapid burning or the flame propagation takes place. During this process, the high pressure is developed. That pressure will be applied on the piston head. This is called the flame propagation. Even after the piston reaches the top dead center, moving downwards to the bottom dead center, the residual air fuel mixtures burn continuously inside the engine cylinder up to piston reaches to the bottom dead center. This is called the afterburning. See, these are the three stages of combustion of spark ignition engine. Okay, with this, I am concluding this session. Thank you.